Fups card. Create Fups card method. Hello Ladian, in this video I will show you how to get a card. You can use it to pay in almost all Turkish shops, Steam, Epic Games, Discord, Apple Store, Netflix, PS Store, Xbox, and many more. This card has the 3D system that is built into the application. In this video, I show you how to get the card, how to get a phone number for this, how to top up this card, and how to use it. By the way, Ronaldo is an online marketplace that connects freelancers selling their services with clients looking to hire someone for a project. You definitely can make money on Ronaldo as a freelancer. Since our platform acts as an online marketplace for freelancers and businesses to connect with each other, there are plenty of opportunities available where you can earn a decent income by providing your services. And if you're a buyer, it's very easy to find the right person for the job, no matter what the job is. Ronaldo's homepage automatically recommends several freelancers and services on offer, but you can also search for exactly what you're looking for. Go to www.rolado.com to get started. Now, let's get started with the video. First of all, you have to install the application to your device. You can download it from Google Play or App Store, or you can just download the APK file from this website. After this, open this application. Now you need to make a new account. Switch this app to English. Tap on the contest menu, select the first thing, and flag the English register. Enter your name or just use your Google account to authorize. If you don't use your Google, enter your email address and then you need to confirm it. Enter the code from your email. After that, you should enter a phone number. You can use your number from your region, but it isn't working for me, so I'll use some virtual Turkish number. Go to 5sims register here, add some money. You should adhere to about $1 to get the needed number. You can use your card or crypto to do this. When you added the money, select Turkey in the country section and finding the services. Click buy and now you have one virtual Turkish number. Enter this number to the app, then you will get the confirmation code. Enter this code in the application and enter some 6-digit password. And now you successfully register the account. As you can see, you can only use 2,750 in 1 month. At the moment, it's about $150. The next step is to get a Turkish card and connect it to your account. Go to the market. You can find here the card that you can use for this. And also, I'll put the link to the description where you can buy the card. Okay, I bought this card. You can use crypto to pay on this market or choose the most convenient for you. After you make a payment, you will get a card, data number, date, CVV, and activation code. It can be a barcode, QR code, or just a number. Like this, open the app, go to cards, click identify cards. You have to scan QR code or click type QR code information. Enter the activation code, then set some PIN code for this card and enter the CVV code for this card. And now I have the real Turkish card. How to add money to this card? There are some methods. First, you can try to make a direct transaction from your card or bank account. It works for some region. The next one, you can buy liras on Plotty market as well. But you will lose like 50% of your money for that service. The best method is using some exchangers. For example, use the best change if you want to pay with crypto. Select what you give and a Turkish card. In the second column, I use Binance. You can pay with any payment method. You can find the link in the description. You need to register here and confirm your account by providing ID, driver's license, or local passport. Then go to trade peer-to-peer. First, you have to deposit some money for your card or using another payment method. Select by choosing your currency. I'll choose Euro and then select the payment method that you want to use. I'll choose Revolut, for example, and enter the amount of money you want to deposit. Click search and you will get sellers who want to trade USD coins for your money. You can choose the seller you want, take completion rate, click your buy USD, enter how many USD you want to buy, click buy, and the order is open for me. They will give payment information like bank account number, email, or card number. You transfer the money using this information and then you will get some USD to your Binance account. Once you get the USD to your Binance, then you can sell it for Turkish lira. Go peer-to-peer again. Select sell in fiat, choose Turkish lira, amount of liras you want to get, and find AK Bank in the payment methods. Then you get sellers again, but they want to sell you Turkish liras for your USD tokens. I recommend you to use trusted sellers from this list. Click Sell USDT, then click Set My Payment Method, find AK Bank here, go to the app and click Top Up. Top Up from AK Bank, copy this IBAN number and paste it to balance in account number and fields. Then enter how many USDT you want to sell and click Sell USD. A new order opened and I sent all payment information to the seller. They sent me money in 3 minutes. Once you got the money, click Payment Received and confirm this action. And now I have the Turkish card with money I can use in almost all Turkish stores. I tested it for Steam. You can't change your region to Turkey, but you can add money to your Turkish account with that card. You can buy games and V-Bucks in Epic Game Store. It works even for the card. The card has a 3D system, so you can use it anywhere. You get the confirmation in the application, but there is some important information. Don't update the application and don't log out. You will lose access to your account because you weren't able to use this online phone number you use for this. Don't hold money for a long time because they can block your account at any time. There is a limit. You can't deposit more than 2,750 liras in 1 month. You can make as many accounts as you want. You just need email, phone number, and application on device or emulator. Hope this video was interesting to you. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.